Welcome to another episode of Cleaning with the Academy. I'm your coach, Dave Thompson, and I'm at the final step of our restroom decontamination series. Now, if you've been watching all the hacks so far, you know we've got everything clean. We've got the disinfectant. It's sat here and it's done its dwell time. But you know what? What most people do is they put the chemical in the bucket and they walk out. The problem is the chemical left on the floor and it never was rinsed. So here's my hack for the final decontamination step. Use the mop and the bucket with plain water. Yes, that's what I said, folks. Rinse water. This is only water. So I'm going to put this in here. You might notice that I have a divided bucket system and I have a flat mop. And this is microfiber. We'll learn more about that in some of our other series. But what we're going to do is now we're going to rinse the floor and clean up around the edges, clean our baseboards. We're going to rinse the floor. Just like with anything else. Hey, you know what? Whenever you run your car through the car wash, you rinse the chemicals off. When you ever get through cleaning your dishes, the last thing you do is rinse the dishes. Rinse your floors, folks. That's our hack for today. Thank you for being with us during this series. Be sure to follow us for more hacks on other floors, other situations in the commercial cleaning industry here at Cleaning with the Academy.